Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with a tutorial and a review on this Profusion Siennas palette right here. It has 21 shades all here for you today, and I'm going to be sharing this nice and inexpensive palette. Can it reign above all of the high-end beautiful palettes? I don't know, but it's pretty beautiful to me. I've already tried it, I've already tested it, and I'm going to let you know the tea with this demo. So if you want to see me do the look and give you a rundown and the tea on this palette, then let's get started. All right guys, so this is the palette right here. She is nice, she is beautiful, she is sweet, and she is suave. She is Sienna. Hey girl. On Target, which is where I bought it, on target.com, or like in Target stores, some select stores that I've seen, this palette is a $9.99. Say what? It is inexpensive. It is a very gorgeous palette right here if you're into nice, they're just sienna colors. There's rusts, there's gold, there's browns. It's giving me modern renaissance, Huda Beauty, rose gold, whatever vibes, okay? So I'm gonna read what it says on the back here. A collection of 21 multi-finish eyeshadows in high impact colors to light up the eyes. The palette includes all the must-have shades with warm pigments and gold textures from rich siennas to deep browns that complete any makeup collection. Girl, she is complete. She is 100%. Hashtag 100. It says the silky smooth, ultra blendable shadows make creating eye looks easy and are stunningly suitable for all skin tones. And you know what? I see that right there. It's got a lot of skin tones for everybody from all around the world. And then it says, the very last sentence, it says, Pro Series brush included. And it's got Pro Series brush right here. And actually, you know, I might not really be a brush snob. You might think I am because I got a ton of brushes over there, but a lot of them are inexpensive. And this one, it gets the job done. You got a little blender right here to do this, you know, a little that. It's, yeah, okay. And then you got this and you just do, you know, boom, that's it. So we're just gonna get into it. We're gonna put it on our face. So let's go. All right, before I get started with the eyeshadow, I am going to prime my eyelids. I have been using my darling dear, my Born This Way from Too Faced, the multi-use sculpting concealer. And I have the shade Vanilla. So I'm gonna just put this on my eyelid and I'm gonna set it with some powder. Guys, let me show you my powder real quick. This is my Stay Matte powder, guys. Hella Project Pan. You got, I'm gonna throw a party, I swear. I'm playing games. Anyway, let me prime the eyelids. Let's go. Alright guys, I look a little bit crazy. The eyes are primed. I do this step first because I like to shape out the brows first and then fill them in. If you want to see my new brow routine, click the like button. So we're gonna start off with the palette here. I'm gonna go in with the shade Serendipity, and it is a nice yellow color, and this is going all over the crease. And I'm gonna just use their Pro brush. All right, next shade I'm gonna go in is Cryptic, and I'm just gonna go right underneath that yellow. All right, next I'm gonna take my Morphe M433, and I'm gonna take the color Devoted on this brush, and I'm just gonna focus this right on like the crack, that crack of the crease. Taking the same brush, I'm gonna go into the color Madly and just focus it right on the outer part of my crease. Alright, with their Pro brush, I'm going to take the flat side and go in with my concealer just to clean up my lid, aka cut crease. Alright, so now that I have cut my crease, they are not even. I've learned from Raw Beauty Christy here on YouTube that your cut creases do not have to be even, okay? Because once you put on the lashes, everything is Gucci. So we gonna do that. Alright, so as you can see by my palette here, I'm gonna take the color Tickled. It has been dug into because I love me some gold. So we gonna put this gold pretty much majority of the eyelid up to like right there. Okay, same brush, but I just wiped off some of the eyeshadow. I'm gonna take the color Bite, and I'm gonna just work that on the outer edge there. This is looking a little sloppy right now. I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and just clean it up. Then I'm gonna put some eyeliner, mascara, lashes. I'm gonna do the whole beat through, and then we will be right back to do the under eye. So let's go. Alright guys, so I did my foundation, my concealer, and then I have put some powder underneath. So now I'm gonna go with the under eye. So I'm gonna go back to the palette right here. I'm gonna take the color Bite on the same brush that we use, and I'm just going to connect the lower lash line to the little cut crease wing we have going on here. Then I'm gonna go in the color Tickled, and I'm gonna finish it off underneath. I'm gonna take my Morphe brush here, and I'm just gonna take the residual product, like not adding anything extra, and I'm just gonna blend out that lower lash line. I'm gonna take some liner. This is the NYX Slide On Glide On. I'm not gonna read the rest of the name. This is an eyeliner in the shade Golden Bronze. I'm just gonna line the waterline. I feel like I'm missing a pop in the inner corner. So I'm gonna go in with a little tiny brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color Exclusive, and I'm just gonna apply this to the inner corner. Alright, so I'm gonna put some bronzer, I'm gonna put some blush, highlight, brows, and a lip. And then we'll get to my final thoughts. So let's go. Alright guys, so the journey is now complete. It is Judgment Day. I'm ready to talk and speak on the palettes. This palette right here is for $9.99. That's $9.99 USD. Not the D that you think you're talking about, but the D is in dollars. It's self-explained, it's self-proclaimed. It is the Siennas palette, so it's giving me nice Grand Canyon rocky rust. It's giving me them vibes, okay? It's got nice shimmers right here. It's kind of like here and there, so you got a lot of shimmers, and you also have a nice balance of mattes. As the formula goes for the shimmers, it is very inconsistent. You have shimmers that don't really pop off as nice, so like you could swatch them and they'll be nice and beautiful and stuff, but then there's other ones where they're a little sad. This one right here is the color Exclusive. I put this on my inner corner, and as you can see, it's not very bright, but if you go into the next color right here, this color right here is the color called Conquest, and it's a little bit chunky. Swatches are not going to be the whole like best deal because it's not going to give you like a good representation of the colors. All right guys, so I'm going to swatch a different color here, which actually gives off a good swatch. This is the color called Bite. Y'all see that I use this on the outer part right here. So just because swatches look all beautiful and stuff does not mean they perform all that great. Now the mattes right here, I think they are super blendable, super beautiful, super gosh darn pigmented. Let's go in with one shade and stuff. Let's just check it out. This is the color Madly. Y'all see that? That is a deep, nice, dark, rich red right there. Let's go with a different color. We use Devoted today, so let's go into Her. Beautiful. Like I said, even though you swatch them, okay, doesn't mean they're gonna look all beautiful and stuff, but I did use it on my eyelids. You already saw it. I've already done it, and it's beautiful. Another color that I really like is this color called Dapper right here. Let's just touch that real quick. Now I think that the mattes are beautiful, nice and highly pigmented, but they're really nice and blendable. They go on the eye really nicely, and you can blend them, and they don't look muddy or anything if you combine different colors together. The whole thing works really well together. As far as the shimmers, they are inconsistent as far as texture and everything like that, but just spray your brush a little bit or go in with a nice sticky primer on the eyelid, and they will go on pretty great because I've already used these colors before, and I can tell you that. As you can see from my run through, I did use a setting spray or any kind of like little Fix Plus-esque spray and sprayed my brush and tried to go in and make the color pop a little bit more, and it did help, but the colors alone, the shimmers alone, they are subpar as far as performance. Just got to be honest there. This one right here, color Polite, it is not quite a matte. It has a little bit of shimmer to it. Just want to let you know that. So overall, how do I feel about this palette here? It is a nice performing palette for like what, $10? Girl, get yourself a palette right here. You don't need to spend money on like what, Huda Beauty or whatever, because I like their lashes, okay? No shade, no drama, okay? I like their lashes, and that's all I'm gonna say about them. But I think you could spend it on something like this. It is giving me modern renaissance / rose gold Huda Beauty vibes, and I think this is a bang for your buck. You can use literally water and you can make the shimmers pop, but for the most part, I think this is a generally okay palette. Would I recommend this? Is this Chab approved? it is Chab approved. I like it. It's good. It's not like the best quality, but because it's so cheap, $10. Come on, guys. You can't go wrong with this. Now, if you have like these colors already in your collection, don't get them. But me being a fanatic, me being somebody who loves and lives for these colors, $10 is nothing. I'm gonna buy it anyway. All right, guys, so that is my review and demo and tutorial on the Profusion Siennas 21 eyeshadow palette. Leave a comment down below if you already tried this palette, if you're thinking about trying this palette, or you want to spend a tiny bit of coins, like literally small size coins, because it is $10. Try it out, let me know what you think, or if you don't want to, then just say, hey, I'm not gonna try it, Chad, because no, don't tell me what to do, you're not my real dad. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. I follow back. And ding ding, hit that notification bell and set it to all, because I make new videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. So if you want to see the, oh no, all dirty brushes. Dirty brushes. Girl, do you want to be Chab approved or not? It's a little chunk. Excuse me. 24 eyeshadow. 24 is 21. They're pro brush. Such a jerk.